I've now got a 20-minute rickshaw ride, which is costing me 105 rupees to Taaza Thindi, another famous spot here in Bangalore. Perfect, thank you sir. Okay, right, here we go. Next destination, Taaza Thindi. As you can see, it's not a hidden gem. Here's the menu. Okay, we've got very similar to the last place actually. We've got idli, vada, khara bath, which I had, khara bath, chow bath, masala dosa and plain dosa, and the prices basically identical. There's so many places in Bangalore that basically only focus on breakfast, so this is another one. I'm going to go for one idli and one vada. And of course I've got to try the coffee. So, one idli. What, single? And one vada. And one coffee. Thank you. 41, okay. It's a good price. There you go, sir. Thank you. Thank you. And once again, there's no play. Hello. Oh, this is mine. Okay, perfect. Thank you. There's no hanging around in these places, they're so fast. Let's get a spoon from here, and I presume the coffee station is around here. Chutney service counter. Oh, this is burning my hands. Coffee, there we go. Hello. Coffee, yes, thank you. Let's see how he does this one. Oh, once again. Traditional. Hot milk into the coffee. Thank you, sir. This is the store, and this is my place of choice to prop my camera. Very, very picturesque behind the bus stop. This looks pretty damn delicious. Okay, round two, second coffee of the day. Looks pretty much identical to the last one. I cannot stress how hot this glass is right now. Oh man, it's at the perfect level of sweetness every time. It's very, very sweet. Obviously it has the coffee at the bottom and then puts all that milk on top and then serves it straight away. If you don't like sugar in your coffee, this one is not for you. But I do, so I like it. I'm going to be shaking after all these. I'm going to get a third one at the next place. Okay, now for the main event, starting with the idli. This is a very soft, steamed rice cake. And it's been drenched in this coriander chutney once again. Let's give that a go. Wow, that is good. Oh, it melts in your mouth. I'm not a massive fan of coriander, to make that very clear on every social media channel that I have. However, this is like, it's like creamy, this chutney. And even though I can taste a lot of coriander in it, it goes well with this idli. There's also a bit of citrus in this chutney, probably lemon. Man, the texture of this is insane. It's so smooth. On its own, actually, it's pretty boring. This tastes like rice, but with that tangy and slightly spicy chutney, serious combination. Damn, that's good. Right, now for the vada. Oh man, this is so crispy. This has been probably fried a few minutes ago. I've had these before in other cities, and they're always soggy, and I'm not a massive fan, but just looking at this, how crispy it looks, I have high expectations here. Let's get it dipped in the chutney. Oh, that's what it should be like. Lovely crunch on the outside, and inside is really soft, fluffy, not sweet, definitely savoury. I prefer the vada over the idli, but both very, very delicious. I'm scoring the vada 10 out of 10, honestly, without him. I'm scoring the idli 9.3. Coffee's getting a 10 also. Far too generous in this video, but I can't stress enough how good it is. Highly recommend coming to this place. I put the name. I'll put all the locations that I mentioned in this video in the description below. Check them out if you come to Bangalore.